Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So in this video we will learn how to add our bank card to our Apple Pay wallet. For that, click on the settings and then search for wallet. Down here click on wallet in Apple Pay. And then in here under the payment cards click on add card. So down here we have different types of card that we can add. Click on debit or credit cards. Then click on continue. And then in here, down here, click on enter card details manually. So card details, verify and complete your card's information. So name, let me just put Lloyd Bank. And then let me put the card number down here. You won't be able to see when I'm typing the card number here, but you need to put your card's number in here. And once you do that, you need to click on this button on the top right hand side which says next. Now add the expiry date and security code and then click on next. Alright, now you need to agree terms and conditions. Click on that. Alright, so here as you can see, adding cards. So you will be able to see all the details of your card on this page. So card added. Now as you can see, the card has been added. Now we need to verify our card. For that, let's click on next. Okay, as you can see in here on the top it says verify. So click on that button. It will take you to your bank app, and then in here you will see this screen. Click on approve, and that's it. Approval successful. Alright, as you can see, I also received a message: Lloyd Bank current account is ready for Apple Pay. So, and also we don't see the verify button anymore in here. So that means we have added our bank card to our wallet in Apple Pay successfully. Now, whenever you go to a supermarket or a grocery shop, a restaurant, just double tap the side button on your phone, on your iPhone, and you will be able to pay through your bank card. All right, I hope this video has been helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.